Hey everyone, I have this cute My henna kit that is for kids. My daughter and I have been playing with this lately. We've had a lot of trial and error, so I want to show you or tell you what we've learned. There's so many cute designs here, totally adorable. Anyways, the first go at it, my daughter did it and she had the colors turn out really great on her hand. This particular one that she chose came out a nice dark color, and the ones on her fingers that she ended up doing stars on her fingers, all of that turned out great. The only problem is we had swimming lessons and they faded really quickly the next day because of swimming lessons. So I don't recommend doing it right before that. I had a go at it with this cute little heart, spiky heart, and it's still there on my foot and it turned out pretty good. I probably left it on for about 2.5 hours, and it does say you can leave it on for a minimum of 2 hours all the way up to 24 hours. Here's what my result is after leaving it on for the least amount of time.